Hey there, in this quick video I'm going to share with you how you can reset your Philip earbuds. So it's super simple. First, what you need to unpair them with your phone, and when you're going to unpair them, put them to the case, and when you're going to take them out of the case, you want to do this. You want to press both of these buttons when you're going to have it out of the case. Press it once and then press it once again, but hold for 5 to 7 seconds. So you can take them out of the case, you're going to press it once, and then you can press it again and hold for 7 seconds, okay? So let's try it out together. So you're going to press it once and then press it again for up to 5 to 7 seconds, and then you're going to like reset it, and that should work and actually fix the issue for you. So let me down in the comments if it actually helped you or no. I hope it does. So you're just going to press and hold it for 7 seconds, then you're going to put them back to the case, and then you can pair them again and it should work. So have a great day and goodbye.